Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having an amazing day. It's Jan from Jandle in the City, where I unbox luxury goods, pre-loved items, as well on occasion some beauty products. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, please do so now so you can join my YouTube family. Today's video is going to be about a Louis Vuitton product that is very hard to get. It's taken me probably close to a year. I was on a wait list. I kept checking the site. It was always sold out. So it came in this large box, and I am so happy to have this and add it to my collection. Like I said, these pieces are extremely hard to get, and they're becoming more and more rare. You can find them on the pre-loved market. So here we go, guys. Came in this box, like this, and the dust bag that says Louis Vuitton. This is what I finally got my hands on, guys, and I'm so happy. It's a Toiletries 26 monogram print. And this one, oh, it is made in France. So let's go ahead and open it up with the wipeable interior inside. Just take these out, the textile card, as well as there is the item number there if you are interested. So what I learned is the items that are on the site that say sold out, if you hit the purchase button down there, let's say either notify me when back in stock or call for availability. I used to just pass it by and not call for the availability. So I did. I started calling for the ability on the pieces that I wanted, and this is what I got. And she told me at the 1-800 number that if you call the availability number, they can track it down for you. So this is my purchase. I am so happy to have this in my collection. It's one piece of canvas that just wraps around like this. This is great for traveling, for putting your toiletries in, for me. And I've also seen on YouTube that if you insert a felt liner, you can have it as a handbag. It could also be worn as a clutch, but with the handbag, the felt comes with 2 D-rings. So you just slip it inside, put your chain on, and off you go. Unfortunately, I don't have it. I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. But I just thought I'd give you that little bit of information. It is such a gorgeous little bag. I cannot wait to use this one. 26. Now it will complete the set that I have. I just grabbed them here for a second. I have the Toiletries 15. This one is made in Spain. I also have the Toiletries 19. This one is also made in Spain, and these are amazing little products. I mean, you can put them in your, like I said, you're never full. Use them as catch-alls, use them as handbags, clutches, you know, things like that. So I'm so happy to have found this one to add to my collection. So if you guys are looking for it, like I said, please go on to the site and call the number for the availability there, and hopefully you could get one of these to add to my collection. I was thinking about actually sending it back, but I've decided I am going to keep it. So hard to get, guys. So if you can't find it on Louis Vuitton, like I said, please try some of the other pre-loved sites. Fashion File, The Real, what's the other one? Yogi's Closet. Quite a few of them are popping up. Rebag is a new one that I was on, looking for some other items there as well. So there it is. And when the felt liner comes in, I will show you that. Look at that, guys. I am so happy to have this one. So it's just a short little video today to show you all about that. So an amazing size. There is the width on it. Great, great piece. I love it. So, till next time, guys, have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.